We're here today at Florida's largest fair, the Strawberry Festival, and we're gonna eat all the strawberry-themed treats. Let's go. So we have a strawberries and cream hand pie, Sandy Ann's hand pies. It looks delicious. We're gonna try it now. Let's see. Ooh. Wow, extremely flaky. It's very hot. Oh, but it's good. Very, very good.
Does it taste like a toaster strudel?
No, it tastes like homemade deliciousness. Like, this is probably the best hand pie I've ever had.
The thing that's really good about this hand pie is that there's whole strawberries in it. And it's not really sweet. It's got tons of flavor. It's really messy, just FYI. So
Very flaky.
Probably, just like Aubrey said, the best hand pie I've ever had. So our next item that we got is a strange one because it's a brisket taco that has strawberry pico de gallo in it. I have no idea what it's gonna taste like. It kind of looks like the strawberries might be slightly pickled, and then it has that cotija cheese in it. It kind of looks like it has like a strawberry queso fresco underneath it.
It's like a chipotle crema.
Yeah, I wish that the tortilla was warmer, but it has a ton of meat on it. So here we go. It's cold, the meat is cold, strawberries are cold, everything on it is cold, including the tortilla. The tortilla is kind of hard because it's cold. The flavor's interesting, but it's a strawberry themed thing, I guess.
Okay, it's my turn to try the cold taco. Here we go. I mean, the flavor's nice, but it's very cold. Yeah, the strawberry, I wouldn't have thought to put strawberry in a pico de gallo. We now have the strawberry pizza and strawberry milkshake from Brandon Farms PC, Plant City. The pizza is a shortcake dough, and then we've got some type of cream cheese, I think icing or frosting type thing, and then some strawberries. So I'm gonna take a bite. That was really good. Wow. This cream cheese is very cream cheesy. Like, it's not super sweet, but then the strawberries are sweet. That's really yummy. Reminds me a little bit of a tart, like a strawberry tart, except the crust is a little more like shortbready. I approve. Our second item is the strawberry milkshake. Let's give that a taste. It tastes like it might be soft serve mixed with the strawberries. It has a really good strawberry flavor, like really good fresh strawberry flavor.
It's almost like a strawberry puree. Yeah.
I mean, it's definitely like real fresh strawberries. So now we have some strawberry wings and some collard greens. They were from a food truck called Grub and Go, and we had trouble finding it because it was a little black food truck that was covered with plants. So it was kind of hidden away, but they were making everything fresh. So I'm really excited to try these strawberry glazed wings. And then the collard greens were just for funsies because I like them. Let's try this wings. Also, this was $23. I'm hoping that the wings are really good. Ooh, they're hot. They're very hot. Let's see. So they're good. I feel like cherry does better as a glaze than strawberry, but that's not their fault. It has a very strong strawberry flavor. But they're very thick and they're very fresh. And the strawberry flavor is still good. So I do recommend them. I don't know if I feel as though they were worth what we paid for them, but wings are always expensive, so.
We got some strawberry kettle corn from Kettle Korn, and it's right behind the stadium. So if you hear some of the concert playing, that's what's happening. And it's strawberry colored, so it's red. And they put strawberry powder on this in order to make it strawberry kettle corn. So it's a very slight bit of strawberry flavor, but it's still salty and fluffy, just like regular kettle corn. The strawberry powder kind of reminds me of like breakfast cereal flavor too. It's pretty good. This bag was $7. Pretty good size. Yeah, it's average for a kettle corn. Just another thing that you didn't think could work, but does work.
I concur with Brian. It tastes like Fruity Pebbles.
But not overwhelming.
No, it's good. It's like if you wanted Fruity Pebble popcorn, that's what this tastes like. Hi! It's for both of us.
Okay, go right to number 1.
Thank you. Can we have one shortcake and one biscuit? Thank you. All right, so we are building our shortcakes. We've chosen one base of biscuit and one base of shortcake, and now we get to put our toppings on.
Which one are you gonna take, Aubrey? The biscuit or the shortcake?
I mean, I want to try both of them.
Step 2, the whipped cream.
Oh my gosh. Okay, there's a lot on the handle here.
I want 3 strawberries, please.
3? Are we allowed that many? Thank you. Could we have one more strawberry on here?
Of course.
Thank you. Ready to go eat it?
Yeah, let's go find a place.
We're collecting stickers today, apparently. I have my here for the food sticker and I made my own shortcake sticker. I'm gonna put this one on my leg, I think. Now it's time to eat these here shortcakes. So I have the one with the biscuit on the bottom. So I'll try this one, then you can try the shortcake one, and then we can swap. There's a lot of whipped cream to dig through. I can't even get the strawberry out. There we go. I keep expecting the strawberries to be super sweet, like they're in a glaze here, and they're not, and it's good because you just get that really fresh strawberry flavor. Would you like to try yours, Brian?
I do, I want to try it. I don't know if there's enough whipped cream on this. It's very fresh whipped cream, not like that Miracle Whip crap. There's so much in here that I don't know if I'm getting stuff. Oh, yeah, I did. There we go.
I had to excavate mine.
That's so good.
Did you find the shortcake yet?
I did. In the first bite. It's fluffy, not really sweet at all. I'm glad that this is our final food here. Besides, of course, we gotta buy strawberries here, you know. But wow, this is really good. And I don't know if we said this earlier, but we bought tickets to skip the line at Publix that was cheaper than actually waiting in the long line. So instead of like waiting 20 minutes or so, we paid less money and we bought our tickets at Publix and then got this like immediately. So win-win right there. So Aubrey wants me to compare this to the shortcake. This is the biscuit. I gotta say, I gotta go with the shortcake. The biscuit makes it taste like doughy. It's not bad, but yeah, it's very dense. I like the shortcake. It's very fluffy. This concludes our Strawberry Festival food video. All the things that you should eat that is strawberry themed at Florida's Strawberry Festival here in Plant City. What did you think? What was your favorite food?
Probably, oh yeah, the hand pie. Definitely the hand pie. That was my favorite.
I was gonna say ham pie, strawberry milkshake,
The milkshake was really good, yeah.
and then the strawberry shortcake, build your own thing
Yeah.
that we ended with.
Yeah, I agree with that.
We have a friend that has tagged along with us. His name is Mr. Berry,
This is the official mascot of the Strawberry Festival.
and he debuted in 1993, so he's a millennial, just like us.
I will say, it was a bit of a rough day here at the festival. There were gobs of people. I mean, it was Free Child Day, and it's a Saturday.
It's opening Saturday, too.
You have to pack your patient pants at the festival on a weekend. It took a long time to do anything, even go to the bathroom. It was like 20-minute line for the
And to
bathroom.
find parking.
Yeah. So I highly recommend coming on a weekday if you're able to. We are not, so we had to come on a Saturday, but the food was very good. All the strawberry themed food we had was very good, and so it was worth it, but we do have a long trek home now.
So, if you like what you saw and you want to see more, click that subscribe button, bell notification, and we hope to see you in the next one. Bye!